Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is March 26th, and we are going to take a look at the Palantir stock. But before, I'm not a financial advisor. I just do this for fun and to help you guys if I can. So Palantir, well, it was a slow day today on the stock market. Very slow and boring day, I would say. So Palantir closed at 22.58, exactly at where it closed yesterday. Exactly pure on the money. Post-market also the same, it didn't move. So what do we have here on the chart? So we have a very what am I doing here? We have a very thin candle. Not much is happening. So we are right smack on several supports and resistance. So we have this resistance that we have had a hard time breaking. We have had a hard time breaking this one, and now have we broken it? I don't know. It's pretty much right on the money. And also we have this support in play at 22.59. Have we broken it? I don't know. It's pretty much right. We closed right on it. So this is like someone is playing with the stock market. I cannot understand how this is so precise. So we have not broken anything. We have not. So it's hard to conclude anything. It's kind of in a no man's land. If we look, but well, first I need to say that I'm very happy that we at least closed at the same point as we were yesterday. So the big green candle we had yesterday was maintained. So basically, I am very happy of that. And if you remember, we talked about this double support, this mainstream support in green that everybody could see. But now we discovered ourselves in the channel that we have a ghost support, double support, that's just a lot harder to see, but that is still effective. And yes, it was effective for us yesterday because it helped us bounce on it. If we go into the hour chart is sometimes interesting to take a look at. So basically, if I go to 9:30, so today we had a good start. So during the first hour, the stock price was moving up. Then, we hit a resistance, didn't want to go above 23. So basically, we have a support at 20, a resistance at 23. And what's happening also during the day, it fell down a little bit, but then guess what? It fell down at the same level as we had yesterday during the day. So we effectively have a support here. So see, the stock is really stuck between these two lines. And I'm very happy that it didn't end the day at the bottom here on the support, but it bounced on it and went further. So if I look at it from an hour perspective, and this is where it's pretty tough to draw conclusions because there are always accuracy problems with the way lines are drawn and everything. So I'm trying to be as precise as I can here in this hourly chart. And this is pretty much the best I can do. So from an hourly chart perspective, we have broken this red resistance that we have had, and we have almost, but it's very hard to say. We have almost broken also the approximately 22.56 support. So I'm hopeful that Palantir will be recovering from the downtrend it was in. If we look at the indicators, stochastic at 32, so stochastic is going down. It's too bad. I don't like that, but it's not the stochastic that decides what the stock will do. It's just there to give us additional information, but really what is important is looking at the price. The candles are the truth. All of the rest of the things around is just there to try to understand what the candle is trying to do. But the candles are really what we are really the main focus. In terms of MACD, the MACD turned bearish a couple of days ago, and the DMI is still bearish. So the stock market has not moved up a lot. Most of the stocks have been going back to their support and are kind of waiting there until something happens in the world. So this is an indication that investors and traders, and mostly investors, are still waiting to hear what is going to happen with COVID, with the interest rates and all of that. So the stock market is in fact is showing us the conclusion. Every single day there's a conclusion about what people are thinking about the whole economy, about a particular sector, the technological sector that we are looking at, and also what people are concluding about Tesla. So and Palantir. So basically, the stock market is the truth. It shows the conclusion of what everybody is thinking about. So people are still, I think, wondering what they will do, and this is why stock market is not doing much. So that's going to be it for me for today. I wish you a great evening and a great weekend. We are going to talk with each other next Monday. At the end of the day, please subscribe, like this video, make a comment, and tell me what you think about what we've discussed today. And I'm going to tell you, à la prochaine.